What's up everyone? In the previous video we have learned to delete individual chats in ChatGPT app. So in this video we will be learning to delete all your chats at once in ChatGPT app. So open your ChatGPT app and simply swipe it from left to right. Then go to your profile on the top corner at right side, and then scroll it down and you can see data controls. Click on it and scroll it down, and you can see the at the last clear chat history. If you click on it, then it says clear chat history. If you click on it, your whole chat will be deleted for forever. And if you back it, then you can see there are no any chats because I have deleted all the chats from it. So in this way you can delete all your chats or history at once. Hope this video will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.